Hello, my name is James Lopez, and this video right here will be the first of two videos. And the purposes for the videos is to show you how to maintain your Outlook inbox. I have a lot of emails that I don't need, just a bunch of junk email. And what I did was I was researching and to see how I can go about maintaining that. And I ran into this dictionary, how to create a dictionary on Geeks for Geeks, and this helped me work on creating a process workflow to maintain my Outlook inbox. So anyway, let me show you this. So this is Geeks for this. So this is a process in here to create a dictionary of unique values and then counting the unique values. In other words, when I have my Outlook, I want to see a unique email and how many times that email is in my inbox, which is exactly what I need. So I use this as an example. So let me go ahead and show you what I did. So what I did was just a text file. This is not emails, but what I just wanted to test the actual dictionary. This is the same text file that I use on my data mining video. If you've seen my last videos, I had two of them. This is the same text file. So I just wanted to keep it the same. That way you can be familiar with that. So anyway, what I did was I used this, and this will create a dictionary on unique words and gives a total of that word. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so let me show you this. This is the path, very straightforward, creating the dictionary. So all this right here is straight from that web page. Straight from that web page, and I have this at the top of the program. If you look, it's right here. And I downloaded it on October the 2nd, 2019. And it's Python count occurrences of each word in a given text file used in dictionary. So this is the setup for the text file that I'm using, and then this is straight out of that web page. So let's go ahead and run it based on my data. That way you can see it. So, and I ran it before. So anyway, what this does is gives you a listing of all the words in there and how many times they occur. Straightforward. Now, this is the second Python program I run. This is it's accomplishing the same goal, but what I did was this is the same. What this one does differently is that I'm using a list here to include or exclude. In other words, I'm going to include these words or I'm going to exclude them. And this is the actual list. Most of this is all the same until here. Right there, it's the same. Now, where I added some code was here and set my keys, which is my keys here. These are my keys. And I wanted to be lower and lower. So in other words, line lower and keys lower. So I just want to make sure we were comparing the same. And the line is from the word, so it'll take the line lower each, and the words equals to the line split, or splitting the actual words in the line. So I'm saying a lower word and lower keys, and this is the filter right here. So what I did was, this first one is words in key list will be excluded from the dictionary, so no, it won't be included. And this is straightforward. And what I did here is to sort. So I added a sort function here to where I can sort it, and you'll see it here in a minute. So here we go. So let me run this one. It's the same text file. So it'll go in there and it's gonna run it here. So what they did, it excluded. So let's go back and look at that. So what this did here, it excluded the words above. As you can see, there's no start key or end key in any of that. This is the default print. This is the print with the sort options. You can see it's a little bit easier to read. And then this is the same as the last one, the last set of Python programs, the videos from the Python program. It's just, giving me totals. So I got totals in there. So if you add, see, this is the total number of words included in dictionary. These are excluded and it equals to that, which is what I read, which is straightforward. So let's go ahead and comment that out. And now this one is going to include them because it's the opposite. So uncomment, and then we're just going to save. So let's go ahead and run it. So there. As you can see, let's go back up here. Those words are included. If you look at it, let me get down here. Let me make it smaller. You get it? This one didn't include them. This one does. So it's included in the actual dictionary, the output of the dictionary. And it's, if you can see, it's the opposite. It's opposite of the top one up there. So it gives me a result. The reason why is because you might have a situation where I have a large text file and I just want to see only these words. I don't want to see anything else. This is how you accomplish that. Now, it doesn't print them to a text file. You can do that also. Take the results and put it in the text file. If you want that, you just go to the first videos that I created and the set on the actual write keys. And that creates an actual text file. So let me show you. Let me give you an example of that. So there it is. So let me open that up. Oh, where is it at? Right. So that's the original file. This is the right file based on the conditions. And I created this. So you can actually do that with this. You'd have to go to that other video, download the data. And also, all this data is going to be downloaded. You can download it. It's right there. And I'm going to create a folder in Google, and it'll be attached to the video. Anyway, I hope you can use this and share it to anybody you think that might be able to use that. And I'm going to have more. The second video of this would be the actual process of maintaining my Outlook. And I have some conditions on that. So that's the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.